move to Start, Programs, then Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Under that, click on Visual Basic 6.0. See here, by default screen you will get after pressing on Visual Basic 6.0 new project, as we have to create different types of applications in VB. So here we have to select standard exe. After completing the software, we have to make a executable file for that forms and project. So we are selecting here standard exe, press open. Yeah, we have just now entered in Visual Basic 6.0 screen. We will just maximize it. Fine. See here, by default project 1 is there, and under project 1 form 1 is there. Project means collection of forms, or in other words, collection of information is known as project. Just maximize the project screen. We will increase the size of a form also, as we have to design our application inside this object window. Fine. The different IDE components of Visual Basic screen is, see here, the top is title bar. At the right side you will get minimize, restore and maximize close button. Menu bar is there. Standard toolbar. The toolbox. This is a toolbox, and this a form layout window or object window, you can say. Apart from this, some extra windows we have to open as per the requirement. See here, we will work on Project Explorer. You will get an index of the forms, means the forms list will be shown under Project Explorer. We can add a form, we can remove a form from this Project Explorer window. To add a form, second form, just we have to right click here, move to add and press on form. See, open. Fine, form 2 has been added. So maximum 64,000 forms can be added inside one project. Once again add, right click, add and form, press open. See, in this way you can add one by one the different forms as per the requirement. As project depends on a particular topic, for example, suppose banking project you are developing here. So first will be our presentation screen about the software, then a login screen for banking related forms, deposit entry screen, new account opening form, withdrawal form. In this way you will require the number of forms. To remove the form, just right click here and press remove form 3. Right click, remove form 2. So by default there is a form 1 under each and every project. This was a Project Explorer window. The next is Properties window. Property window is a collection of characteristics of controls. Means if we use any control from a toolbox, for that some settings have to be done. We can do it from a property box. Suppose we have just double click on label. See here, label has been placed on a form. Just keep as per your requirement where you want on a form. Just drag and drop facility. See, GUI environment. Now to change the name or a color of a label, or change the title of form or color of form, you have to use this property window. We will see the properties one by one when we start with our next chapter, that is working with controls. We will see the use of each and every button under toolbox. By default there are 21 controls are there. So these were the number of components available inside a VB screen.